Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Russian flag on the Rubik's Cube. So what you're going to do, you're going to hold the white in the front, red on top, and blue on the left. And first you're going to put this blue in the middle just like that, because that's the blue stripe and the white stripe. And then to do the red one, we move the back once, bring the left side up, move the bottom side twice, bring this back, and move the bottom side back to the left. And there you have it, Russian flag. Thanks for watching. Snow had no religion that when the virtue was as a heat that else is limited. Who said the vinegar syrup that fell not old net. Not a nerfin ja will hungry vinegar else. The weeks give a not the gal from the shower again at a wing or shivering night.